Now, actually, we separate RG and GL into two products. Why we separate them into two? Actually, for internal consumption, we can combine them together. In many cases, external applications is wound. If it is wet wound,
Usually wet.
wet, I mean it's a watery,
Wet.
or the open wound, we use RG. Yeah. Sometimes the skin is cracky, it's dry. So we use GL. So GL together with the oil, maybe our Ganoderma oil or olive oil, or you go to the kitchen, get any vegetable oil. Apply it for dry skin. So wet and open wound, we use RG. Dry skin, use GL. But of course, now we also mix them together into powder. RG and GL together. So you no need to worry about all these things. This one is RG. Yeah? This one is RG. Yeah?
So yes, yeah.
Yeah. This one is for detoxification. Bring the toxin outside your body. This one is GL. Contain a lot of nutrients, balance your body. In our genotherapy system, it's very simple. We say all disease is caused by two factors. One is toxin, one is imbalance. Can you think of any disease which is not caused by toxin, caused by imbalance? People talk about HIV. It's due to virus. We do not need virus inside the body. So it's toxin. Person having heart problem, the heart is out of balance. This is the second problem. Okay? So some people say, how about mental problem? Mental problem is caused by physical problem. So it is out of balance. If you can do two things to a body, you become a perfect therapist. You only have two jobs to do. Remove the toxins from the body, balance it back, all problem will be solved. You agree with me? So DXN, our category, you divide into two groups, but RG, detoxification, GL, balancing back the body, spirulina, balance back the body,